Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Carrie, and today we're going to be diving into a topic that many couples quite struggle with. Can a postnuptial agreement save your marriage after one spouse is unfaithful? Infidelity can shake the foundation of a marriage, leaving behind feelings of betrayal, trust, distrust, uncertainty about the future. But for some couples in Texas, a postnuptial agreement may offer a practical and an emotional path forward. First of all, a postnuptial agreement is a legal contract created after marriage that outlines how property, finances, and other matters will be handled in the event of divorce or death. Well, it's not a fixed or broken trust. It can serve as a powerful tool to rebuild confidence. So after an affair, a postnup can be clearly defined. It can clearly define like financial responsibilities, set expectations for the future behaviors, and offer reassurances that if things fall apart again, there's a plan in place. This can reduce like anxiety, help couples focus on healing their relationships instead of fearing what might happen next. In Texas, remember, postnuptial agreements are enforceable if they meet specific legal requirements. Both spouses must enter into it voluntarily, disclose all the assets honestly, and sign the agreement in writing. So when it's done properly, a postnup can be a stabilizing force, helping the injured spouse feel more secure while giving both parties a reason to commit to reconciliation in good faith. However, it's important to understand that a postnuptial agreement is not therapy. It's just a legal tool. If a couple isn't also investing in counseling, communication, and rebuilding that emotional trust that was lost, a postnup is not going to fix any issues on its own. So when it's combined with a genuine effort to repair the marriage, it can offer clarity and peace of mind during your difficult time. So if you're considering a postnuptial agreement after infidelity, schedule your free 30-minute consultation with the law office of Bryan Fagan. Our team can really guide you through your options with compassion and experience, helping you take the next steps, whether that's protecting yourself or saving your marriage or preparing for your future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.